You were always smarter. I was the one to tag along. I remember how it started. To realize we're miles apart.
Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a second behind the scenes video from my trip to Los Angeles. If you haven't seen the first one, definitely check it out. I will leave it in the description down below. But today I'm photographing two gorgeous models. We have Lauren and Kristen, and we are doing this photo shoot on Santa Monica Beach. I'm going to be using Sony a7 III with the 24-70mm 2.8 G Master lens, and I will also use my Canon 50mm 1.2 with the Sigma adapter on the Sony body. And yes, this is a Canon strap on the Sony camera because I really do not like the Sony straps. So yeah, I'm marrying the two, alright? We also filmed a really cool video on Anita Sadowska's channel where we compared the images taken on Sony a7R4 versus Sony a7 III. So if you would like to see that, again, check out the link in the description down below. For the first look, I sat both of the models down on the sand and got them to pose together. I decided to shoot this backlit, although it was getting very bright outside, but I knew that the sand will reflect some of the light back onto the models and act as a natural reflector. Plus, with Sony files, it is very easy to recover some of the highlights and the shadows, so I knew that I'm not gonna have any problems there.
Okay. Yeah, oh, that's super pretty, you guys. Yeah, I really love when you do it like that. So keep that and then get your face a little bit closer to her. Yeah, yes, perfect. That's beautiful. Oh, you guys are glowing.
In the sunrise, we can flee the night.
Amazing. What if you drop your hand, maybe just kind of this? Yeah. Yes, exactly. Usually when I have two models, I try to make sure that they're not doing the same exact pose with their hands. So like if one model has one hand and the other one, I would rather have it down. Oh, I love that. That's super pretty. One sec. Oh, that's beautiful. Actually, can you look this way, Lauren? Yeah. So, no. So you look at me and then you can just look out this way. Yes, exactly. Oh, that's so beautiful. You stay like that, I'll get even closer. Yes, oh, that's actually, yeah, both of me.
I didn't know I would meet someone like you.
I also tried some standing poses, but in the end I didn't really like them, so I went back to the sitting one, and this time I used the 24-70 to get a little bit of a wider angle and a little bit of a different look.
I don't know if it's too low. I was thinking more kind of like, so if you put your legs a little bit more kind of like this, then you can lean, that's, yeah, exactly, but maybe put the hand over here so she can put the hand here. And closer, so if you scoot your bum just a little bit closer to her. Yes, or maybe you can lean on her shoulder like this. There we go. That's gorgeous. So much better shooting with the native Sony lens because it recognizes the face like immediately. I don't even have to do anything. Yeah. I'm gonna try to get just the sand here because there's some people in the background. Oh, that's beautiful. Extend this one leg a little bit more and don't have it in the sand so I can see it. Yeah. Get it a little bit closer how you had it before and just more extended. Yeah, and this one a little bit higher. So yes. Yeah, get yourself comfy. And get your hands a little bit closer. So, yeah. Yes, exactly. Just because I'm shooting quite cropped in. Yes, that's beautiful. Oh, it's amazing. Okay, just a few more. Get your heads a little bit closer to each other. Yes, 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 yes. That's so gorgeous.
That's right. Now when I found you, I can't let you out of my sight. Don't go.
So we just moved under the pier because I wanted to see what this is gonna look like in the shade. I know it's gonna have probably a little bit easier time focusing because it's not as super backlit anymore. And we're gonna have just a nice soft lighting over here and nice waves in the background too. It's gonna look really nice. Right now I'm doing like up to the knee, and then I'll tell you when I'm doing full body. Yeah, yeah, that's gorgeous. It's a little bit dark. Let me see if I move just a little bit this way. I still want this as a background. What if, see there's a little patch of light over here. What if you stand in this patch of light? Yes, yeah, I think that's a little bit better. Yeah, and try to keep your body just slightly this way, just so I get that nice light, yeah. What if you give me a little bit more shape? Yes, yeah. Yes, exactly. Beauty. Oh, that's gorgeous, yeah, I love that. Yeah, you can play with the shoulder like that. So if you do this, don't be afraid. You can even go a little bit more like exaggerated. Yeah. Yes. Oh, that's gorgeous. Yeah. Amazing.
Always and forever. I know we'd be together with flowers in my hair.
I think I want to get you sitting here. Over here, the water shouldn't get to you. Just go just tiny bit more over here. And I kind of like these. There you go. Yes, yes, exactly. Don't worry about covering the leg. I actually kind of like that you can see these. Do you want to scooch a little bit closer? I kind of like these tassels over here. Yeah. Yes, that's gorgeous. Maybe keep this like a little bit closer. Yeah, yeah, more kind of like, yeah, yes, I actually like that. It's more simple. I'm getting a little bit of a weird light over here. Do you mind scooching more in the shade? No, that's too much. Sorry, it's like a little bit more. Where's that light coming from? What if you go over here, back into the shade? Yeah, that's better. It's more even. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, oh, I love that, I love that. Really having trouble finding the eye. Yes, yes. Yes, oh, I love that, I love that. So what if you do this? Now pull this, one hand here, and with the other one you're like pulling the strap. Yes, yes, yes. Exactly, exactly, exactly. Stay like that. Oh, that looks so gorgeous. Okay, just a few more like that. Oh my god, the camera is really having trouble focusing here. Yes. Even with the native Sony lens, I think this is like a hard lighting situation right now. Stay like that, stay like that.
Oh no. And they tell me to move on, 'cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you, yeah.
This next set is something I wouldn't normally shoot at all. I'm shooting wider angle. I'm shooting really close down at 5.6. Like, you'll never catch me shooting at 5.6. So thank Anita for making me shoot this way, and I hope you guys enjoy something a little bit different from me.
Oh, that's gorgeous. I love that pose. So I'm not all zoomed out. I'm at like, it's like kind of like a 40 millimeter right now. Yes, yes. Oh yeah, pull that string up. Yeah, that's really, really nice. What if you take this leg that's in front of me? No, pull how you had it, but even more so like in front, kind of. Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. It's all about like exaggerating the poses. Yes, that's gorgeous. Can you go even more in your profile here with your face? Yes, 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 exactly. That's beautiful. Stay like that. We're gonna get some more close. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love that.
But I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway.
For this last look, I wanted to give you guys a quick tip on how you can DIY a reflector. It got super bright outside, so I knew that I had to bounce some of the light back onto the models. I didn't have a reflector with me, but do not worry. All I did was I took this super white towel that we brought for the models in case they would get wet, and I propped it onto my backpack so that it stood up just a little bit higher, and I used that as a reflector, and you know what? It actually worked really, really well. So if you find yourself in a situation like that, maybe try out this tip.
Oh, that's so beautiful, you guys. I love it. I love it.
You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this.
Wow, that's so pretty.
I can't seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back on the sideline where you want.
Finally, I took a few shots on my medium format film camera. This is Mamiya 645 with a 80mm 1.9 lens, and I'm using some color film from Fujifilm, and it's 400 ISO.
For you repeatedly. I don't wanna seem to shaky. Oh no.
Actually, can you put your hand how you had it before for the one further? Yeah. Yeah, and get a little bit closer again. Can you take the hair? Yes, there we go. Oh my goodness, that looks amazing, you guys. 1, 2, 3.
Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and
Like towards me, kind of like this. Not too much, so like if you want to sit down a little bit more, yes. And then, yeah, and then maybe like one. Not with the legs down, just with your hands. So one hand like over here. Yes, yes, that's beautiful. Can you maybe grab your hair on one side? There's just a few hairs over here at the top. Yeah, you got it, you got it. That looks awesome. I love that. That looks beautiful. Yes, oh my God, stay like that, don't. Maybe I'll do it like this. Oh, that looks super. 1, 2, 3.
I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this.
Switch just a little bit with your position. Yeah. Yes. 1. Wait, there's a person. Yes. 1, 2, 3.
I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this.
So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, check out everyone involved in this video. Links will be in the description down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.